Good morning, ma'am. My name is Koilanat. I am from DS2. Today I am going to present my project GM Insta. It's a mini social media application using MongoDB. In this presentation, I am going to brief you about the abstract of the project, introduction, problem statement, scope and limitations, literature review, objective, system requirements, system architecture, implementation. In this, I will demonstrate the whole project and the expected outcomes we will see, and then we will discuss the future works and outcomes, and then we will conclude. So my project is GM Insta, which is mini Instagram like social media application developed using Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and Socket.io. This application allows user to register, log in, create, post, and comment, like on post, follow users, and chat in real time. The main aim of this project is to understand how NoSQL database and modern web technologies are used in real world social media platforms. So what is the main motive to develop this project? So as we know that social media platform um, are widely used today for communication and sharing content. Applications like Instagram allows user to interact through posts, like, comments, and messaging. So I developed GM Insta to understand the working of such platform using full stack development technologies. This project also helps in learning backend development, MongoDB integration, authentication, and real-time communication. Moving to the problem statement, so here I have taken a small problem statement. And the main problem addressed in this project is how to build a social media platform that can handle user authentication, post management, like and comment, user interaction, real-time messaging. The project simplifies this functionality into a mini application for educational purpose. So this is the problem statement of the project. So moving to the scope and limitations. So the scope of the GM Insta uh, project includes user registration and login, profile creation and management, post creation, like and comment, follow and unfollow, real-time chat, notification stories. All these are the scopes of the my project. So what is the limitation of my project? It includes mainly it is not designed for large scale, limited scalability, and it does not have any advanced features like reel sharing or making reels or AI recommendations, video streaming. Like these features are not included in my project, but also it includes a basic authentication and basic UI compared to real Instagram. It's like a mini clone of the main real Instagram. So this is the limitation of my project. So moving to the literature review. So we know that modern social media application commonly use technologies like Node.js, MongoDB, and Socket.io. Node.js is used for scalable backend development. MongoDB is used because it handles unstructured data efficiently. Socket.io enables real-time communication, and Bcrypt.js provides secure password encryption. These technologies are widely used in real-world social networking systems. So this is the literature review. So let's move into the objectives. The main objective of my project is to create a mini social media platform to implement secure authentication, to allow user to create and interact with posts, to implement real-time chat, to understand MongoDB interaction, to gain practical knowledge of full stack development. So here are the objectives. Moving to the system requirements. So what are all the system I have required to develop this project? So first, coming to the hardware part, here I have used Intel i3 for processor, 4 GB RAM for memory. Storage, I have used approximately 500 MB, and a very good internet connection is must and should require. So coming to the software part, I have used Windows for OS and Node.js for runtime. In backend, I have used Express.js. For database, I have used MongoDB for storage. For frontend, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. For real-time chat, I have used Socket.io, and tools like NPM, VS Code, all are included here. So this is all about the system requirements. So next, moving to the system architecture diagram. So here is the system architecture diagram. So here we can see there are three parts. One is the presentation layer, second one is the application layer, and third one is the database layer. So here, this architecture is divided into different layers to organize the application properly and make it scalable and easy to maintain. So coming to the client side, it is presentation layer, which is on the left side. We have the client side or presentation layer. This is the front-end part, as I told, where user interact with application through a web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. The user interface contain pages such as login, register, home or feed, explorer, search, profile, chat, notification. The front end is developed using the tech stack called HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also React. And then coming to the next layer, that is application layer, also it's called as server. It is in the center, which is built using Node.js, Express.js. This layer handles all application logics and API requests. It contains different routers such as auth, routers and post routes, comment routes, chat routes, follow routes, notification controllers. It includes like handling requests, validate data processing, application logic, managing user relations, sending response, error handling, file uploads. All it includes like models like user, post, comments, message, story, notification, and also middleware utilities which contains additional services used by this application like author, or session management, Bcrypt, Multer for image upload, course handling, which connects the backend and front end, Logger for tracking activity, and error handles for validations. So this is all about the application layer. Next, moving to the last layer, that is the database layer, which is present on the right side, and which is developed, which includes MongoDB to store the data. So here MongoDB stores all application data and collections such as users, post, comments, message, stories, notifications, socket.io. All this MongoDB is suitable because it handles unstructured social media data efficiently. So let's see the workflow, how this data flow. Um, First, user interacts with the browser AI. Request goes to express.js as routes control processes. Um, the logic models interact with MongoDB. Database sends data back. Socket.io handles real-time events. Response is displayed to the user. So we can see that this architecture follows a modular structure, making the application organized, scalable, and easy to maintain. It also demonstrates how modern social media applications are built using full stack technologies. So this is all about the system architecture of my project. So next, moving to the next part, that is the implementation part, that is the code and output. So here is the code and here is the expected output. I will demonstrate it. So in here the expected output will come like login, register, this is feed, this is explore, and this is the creation of a post. Here is the notification, here is the mode like dark or light, here is the real-time chat, and here is the user profile. So this is the expected outcome. So let's demonstrate the project. So here is the code for my project. Here are the models, here is the public, and here is the routers, here is all the uploads, and here is the view part, and here is the main body of the project app.js. So all this combines. It is combined with front end and back end, and MongoDB is connected behindly. So let's run this project first. After the opening the terminal, I will put the command has not app.js. Then it will pop out with like this. After clicking the link, my login page will be pop out. If the user is new to this platform, then he must first register himself by giving all the credential. Like here, I will give the username like Koyal Devnath. Then I will create an email address here like Koyal. Email address at world24. Then I will give a password. Then I will write the bio that I am a student. Then I will choose a profile picture from the gallery, and then I will create a account. After creating the account, here the login page will be pop out, and we have to fill the credentials like username and password, and then we will log in. After logging in, then our home page will be opened. Here in home page you can see the story part. Here we can upload a story like good morning. I will put good morning. So here I have shared the story. So here is the story. So I can upload the story. Here is a dark or light theme. I can change like that. Here is the notifications that some Nia sent message, Nia sent your message, started following. All the notifications will be notified here. So here is the post I have created till now. Now next, moving to the explore part. Here we can see the other users and we can follow them here. We can unfollow them also. So here we can see what are all the posts has been posted by other users. We can see here. Then moving to the create part, here we can create the post. Like here I can create like life is beautiful. So like this I can add emoji also, like that I can share the post. So here is what I created the post, and here also I can like and I can comment on the post like yes, definitely. So here is the comment, and also I can save the post. So these are all the features. Moving to the chat part, here I can chat with anyone. So here I got hi, how are you? I will text like I am fine. So here the message is popped out. So here I am fine, I am good. Like this I can reply. So here we can see that the user is online or offline. The green mark indicates that the user is online. In search bar we can also find the username by typing the name here. I have typed Mira and got his chat. So this is all about the chat part. Moving to the profile part. So here is the profile part. So here is the profile. Here the bio of the user can be seen. So here the user is me. It is called Dirnath, and I have created my bio like this. Here I can see how many followers and whom I am following and how many posts I have done. All similar to the real Instagram, and also it will shows when I joined the in this Instagram, and I can edit my profile like this. So here the profile is edited. Here first before it was Koel, then now it is Koel. So this is all about it, and I can change the theme as I told before. Coming to the database part, which is stored in MongoDB. So this is the collection name GM Insta. Uh, so here in comment, all the comments whatever I have did or user made it to the post are stored here. Here the chats or messages are stored here. Here the notifications, whatever the notifications all are stored here. Here the posts, whatever post users did are all are stored here. And here stories. And finally the user, that is profile. Here is my profile. Likewise others profiles are also stored here. So this is all about the database. So what is the future scope of this project will be? I will be improved this by adding mobile application support, cloud storage, integration, video upload support, AI-based recommendation, better UI and user experience, push notification, share notification, video stream, video means like I will also implement into higher level by video calling, voice note sending. All this I will include. So I just want to conclude this by telling that to GM Insta successfully demonstrate a mini Instagram like social media platform using MongoDB and modern web technologies. This project helps in understanding me and the full stack web development, NoSQL database integration, authentication system, REST APIs, real-time communication. Overall, the project provides practical knowledge about how modern social media applications are developed. Thank you so much.